Hi, I'm field agronomist Jay Zielske, and today I'm at the Corteva Research Center in Mankato, Minnesota, and with me is Dr. Paul Gaspar, a research scientist. And today what we'd like to discuss is Pioneer Lumigen seed treatments with Lumialza. Paul, you've done some research over the past several years with Lumialza. Tell me about your research and the number of locations.
Jay, we've been looking at Lumialza for over 3 years now at multiple locations. Generally, we're looking at locations around 400 reps of data already with that, and we're doing again testing this year, but just to confirm our previous work. So we have a lot of yield data to show the value of Lumialza.
Good. So Paul, I know anytime we look at research, and just as we do with corn hybrid trials, research location, site selection is huge. Tell me about how you selected the sites that you do your research at.
Jay, we certainly go out all over the Corn Belt and we try to find all the different nematodes that farmers are dealing with, and that can range from needle to stubby root to lesion. All those are different types of corn nematodes that our corn plants have to deal with. So we'll go out, we'll sample those, we'll determine what given nematode is out there and the level of pressure that we're dealing with at those locations.
And so Paul, tell me, what did you find as far as the yield advantages of Lumialza?
Well, Lumialza across all of our location stuff, we've been seeing anywhere from 3 to 7 bushel yield advantage. This is in our small plot research. We also have impact research that another group is working with, but that is combined with us to really get us a good feel of the value, but around 3 to 7 bushel.
And Paul, tell me, as someone who's researched it, Lumialza over several years, tell me about the value, even in locations where we don't have particularly heavy nematode pressure. I think that's one of the things that surprised me. What would you attribute those yield advantages to when we have low or no nematodes present?
Yeah, so what I've seen in the research work with Lumialza is a more uniform stand, consistent stand, and in corn obviously stand is king, and if you've got a good uniform aggressive growing stand, it does quite well, and there is in all soils some nematode pressure out there, but in essence, in even those low-lying areas, we see some added growth, early vigor growth also with it.
Very interesting, interesting. And so Paul, as farmers look ahead to 2020 and planting Pioneer seed with Lumigen seed treatment, including Lumialza, they can feel confident that it's been tested and proven over multiple years?
That is correct, Jay. We're certainly not going to bring a product or put a product on our seed that doesn't give some value to our customers, and Lumialza is a great example of bringing added value to our growers.
Paul, thank you very much for your time. Viewers, thank you for watching, and good luck scouting.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.